tourism is now spreading its wings by giving opportunity to experience space travel for everyone. These wings now have an Indian feather. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're safe and sound. In today's video, let us see about the Indian feather who is going to step onto the space. Friends, I am experiencing hair-raising moment while talking to you now. Do you know why? Sirisha Bandla, who hails from India and who also happens to be from my home state, Andhra Pradesh, is all set to fly along with Sir Richard Branson and their crew Unity22 on July 11th in VSS Unity spacecraft. VSS Unity will be carried by an aeroplane named White Knight 2 to an altitude of 50,000 feet, which is almost twice the height of Mount Everest, and then the spacecraft will launch from this altitude. After this historic moment, Miss Sirisha Bandla will be the second Indian-born woman after Kalpana Chawla, the fourth Indian and the first Telugu person to fly into the space. Miss Sirisha Bandla is an aeronautical engineer graduated at Purdue University, who is currently the Vice President of Government Affairs at Virgin Galactic. Being inspired by Kalpana Chawla, Miss Sirisha wanted to become a pilot, but she couldn't because of her poor eyesight. She did not lose heart and explored ways to achieve her dream and joined Virgin. And now her dream is coming true. From her story, I learned that hardships do come in life, but we need to pave our way towards the goal. We will succeed. So let us not get discouraged when we fail, but we need to stand up and fight back. I am eagerly looking forward to this historic event and giving my best wishes to Ms. Sirisha Bandla and her crew to have a safe and successful space trip. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Friends, I hope you're learning from my videos. If you like them, please give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe. And click the bell button for getting more notifications. And please share my videos to your family and friends. Thank you.